How to update your focus status message.
Hello everyone! In today's guide, we'll be walking you through how to update or change the focus status message you've shared. This is a handy feature for when you want to convey your availability or current status to others. Let's dive in.
What is a focus status message?
A focus status message is a short, temporary message that you can set on various platforms to let others know your current status. Whether you're in a meeting, on vacation, or just need some uninterrupted time, this message can communicate your availability without you having to tell everyone individually.
Accessing your profile settings.
The first step in updating your status is accessing your profile or account settings. 1. Log into your account on the platform where you have set the focus status message. 2. Navigate to your profile or account settings. This is often found in the top right corner of the page or within a menu, represented by an icon or your profile picture. 3. Once inside, look for an option related to status, availability, or profile message.
Updating your focus status message.
Now that you're in the right place, 1. Click on your current status message or find the option to edit or update it. 2. Enter your new message into the provided text box. 3. Remember, keep it concise and clear so others can quickly understand your status. 4. Save or confirm your changes. Most platforms will have a Save, Update, or Confirm button.
Tips for an effective status message.
Be clear. Make sure your status message communicates exactly what you want others to know. Update regularly. If your status changes, be sure to update the message accordingly. Use emojis sparingly. They can add a touch of personality but don't overdo it. And that's how you update or change your focus status message. We hope this guide was helpful. Remember to check in and update your status regularly, especially if your availability changes. Thanks for watching, and stay focused.